Welcome to MMACHAMPHQ and SmartSkillPath. Today, we are stepping into the future of urban mobility with a technical audit of the electric autonomous aerial vehicle, the human drone. For high-net-worth individuals, tech-forward corporations, and futuristic transport institutions, this represents the absolute peak of eVTOL technology. We are looking at a zero-emission, autonomous flight platform designed to revolutionize point-to-point travel. The core of this machine is the carbon fiber composite airframe. It is engineered for maximum structural integrity while maintaining the lightweight profile required for vertical lift. But the real genius lies in the 16-rotor redundant propulsion system. Unlike a traditional helicopter that has a single point of failure in the main rotor, this AAV uses independent brushless DC motors across 8 arms. This means even if multiple rotors were to fail, the onboard flight computer instantly recalibrates to ensure a stable, safe descent. This is not just a drone, it is a fail-safe atmospheric transport unit built with military-grade precision. What truly separates this unit is the autonomous flight control system. There is no pilot on board. The AAV utilizes 4G and 5G high-speed communication to sync with a command and control center. It features 360-degree obstacle avoidance using a combination of LiDAR and visual sensors, creating a digital safety bubble around the craft. For the institutional investor, the ROI is found in a zero-fuel overhead. This is a fully electric system with fast-charging battery packs, making it the most energy-efficient flight asset on the market. Maintenance is simplified through the modular motor design, and the durable interior is finished with luxury-grade materials for a premium passenger experience. Backed by professional technical support through the product lifecycle, this is the ultimate high-ticket acquisition. I have placed the verified Alibaba Deep link in the description below to connect you with the manufacturer's technical team for flight specs and international logistics. This is MMACHAMPHQ. The future isn't coming, it's already in the air. I'll see you in the next audit.